In this series of video, it will be like 2 months. So daily how much I am practicing, that I'll put into the internet. It will be like day by day challenges. Okay, at any point of time, at a particular day, it can be 2 3 videos or 5 to 6 videos also. There is no limitations for practicing, right? So whatever the thing I am practicing, just I'll put it on videos, and it will be like day 1, day 2, day 3. Okay, and after 60 days I'll see that how much I have developed my voice. Okay, speaking English, and that I can say that what is that, clarity. So it is all about practicing my voice. So initial days it will be like, just you have to bear with me, because I am not good at speaking. Just I am practicing. I two to three times I am practicing in front of mirror. After that I am putting it here, okay, by a reading format. So I am preparing for some exams also. That's why it will be helpful for me, right? Without, like, it is not like a jam, just a minute, just reading out anything. So I am taking that relevant topic, so that I'll have idea about the topic, as well as I can contribute myself to speaking English also. And if you learn what is the things that is happening inside that content also, you can tell opinion, you can suggest me, you can opinion me. So it is just like a two-way communications. If you are interested, just like, share my videos, okay, and we'll be together, we'll be growing. So let's see the challenges for today. Today I have selected a topic, that is it artificial intelligence, the futures. So it's not about I just read out the content. I just make sure if something I know, then I'll highlight how the things work, okay, behind the scene also. So you have to bear with me. That is the things I just wanted to tell you, okay. So artificial intelligence, the futures. So this topic is about artificial intelligence, and what what is the future we are expecting as per current analysis, right? So that we have to read it out. Artificial intelligence, the future. Artificial intelligence is transforming the world at an incredible speed. It refers to machine program to think like humans. Today, AI is no longer a dream, it is part of our daily lives. From smartphone assistants to medical tools, the biggest advantage of AI is efficiency. It can process massive data in single second. So this is all about saying what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means we are the systems, that is, intelligence means what is, we are having intelligence because we have our own processing system, that is brain is processing data. By whatever the input we are giving to our mind, it is processing and basing upon our assumptions and the reality, whatever we have seen today, basing upon that our brain is making decisions. Similarly, computers write some sorts of data that is to given as input to computers, and they have created a model. Even in that model, they are in giving that data set as an input to the model, and model is processing and able to take its own decisions. So whenever we are typing something, how automatically correct that spelling correction is coming, because already it has given, already the data set is given what is the relevant word we are searching for. So automatically it's coming, right? So this is how this artificial intelligence is working behind the scene. Okay, AI is no longer dream, it is a part of our daily lives. Yes, it is 100% true. There was a time we can't imagine without mobile phone. Now we can't imagine our life without artificial intelligence. So we have to salute to AI, because it is making us convenient, easy, and it is saving our time also with a great extent. But point is that we are becoming lazy day by day. That is also another aspect of this artificial intelligence. Okay, we are thinking we are enjoying like anything, our work is done by AI. But point is that our that critical thinking level is coming down, because we are not thinking anymore. We are just whatever the things coming, just we are giving it as input to artificial intelligence. So this is the way we are, this is the way we are, like a little bit other side of artificial intelligence means we are destroying ourselves. Okay, no one is there, we are destroying ourselves, we are not able to think critically well, right? That's why we will be like lagging behind. So let's see another paragraph. This is yes, It can process massive data into seconds, helping doctors and find diseases earlier and making industries highly productive. Yes, it is definitely helping us to make productivity productive, right? Productive means with a less time we can do more work. Okay. And in medical sector, if you see, it takes large takes it has taken large number of data set of all kind of diseases into database, and it is finding out through that filtering out what is the cause of this disease. Earlier it was just like lab report, simple report, and manually the doctors were researching the things, but now they can automate the things easily. And for example, some coma patient is there, so what is the situation? So all the data set already given to the artificial intelligence, so it can filter out last 10 years to 20 years data set, the what kind of situation can occur, so possibility it is giving, and what is the risk of chances of the disease. So that's why it is creating miracle in the field of medicals, right? Educations also, we can say that there was a time it was like classroom based teacher, but now at any time, at anywhere, you are able to teach, and anything you want as per your choice also you can learn the things. Okay. Because you're you are accessible to the whole world, whatever you want you can learn, whatever things you watch you can see it easily from the expert, not that ordinary persons are with confusions. They'll give you great ideas. Okay. So this is where the AI is helping us. However, we must be carefully issues of job loss. Yes, they are talking about job loss and job loss. Yes, if some repetitive work is there and human is sitting idly sitting and doing that repetitive work, that needs to be given to AI for automations, right? And that person's that free means a lazy person, that should he should be occupied with some other work that is need human interventions. Okay. In this way, we are not sure about this job the job loss, but yeah, we can think about something like coming days. Data privacy, this is an important threat to our uh, society. Data threat, right? So that's the real challenge is coming, because everywhere social media is there, everywhere people posting their photos, videos, right? So this is the real challenges it's coming, right? AI can mix it and he can do it whatever you want, so that is the risky things here it is. So if we use AI responsibly, it can act as a powerful partners in human progress. The key is to balance innovations with ethics to ensure a tomorrow, better tomorrow for everyone. Yes. So this is the, we can say, this is the essence of AI. So we have to see, and we have to see pros and cons of this AI, right? How it works, what is its pros, what is the advantage and disadvantage we are getting, right? That needs to be keep in mind. So likewise, today I made a short videos, I can say that, for practicing myself and give input regarding artificial intelligence, right? So this way we are going to learn in this series of videos. I don't know how many videos I can make, because I am occupied with some other work also. So let's see. In this way we'll be practicing our English day by day, and we'll evaluate ourselves what is happening after 60 days. Minimum 60 days is required, because today we'll put something and tomorrow it will happen. No, there is not going to happen. At least some 1% 2% improvement that can be shown after 60 days only, right? So let's see and let these videos. Okay. So if you would like to practice your voice like me, you can also just do the same thing. Just open this, open about, or just talk about one particular topic and give your consent, and just overall you can just speak in English, like the think in English. That is the one thing we can do it. Okay. Bye.